In addition to having a glass display, it's also great a lot of times to still have a tactile button. We have multiple keypad options that we've integrated with. Probably the most versatile is the configurable keypad that allows you to have between 5 and 16 buttons on one keypad. Each one of the buttons is color controlled backlight with lots of options on the colors. The icons on each button is configurable, and there's no minimum to have a configurable layout. There's also a tool to remove the icon, so you can even have accessories populated and let a dealer put in the icon for the accessory they're installing. Another keypad we use a lot is the rotary encoder. This is really good to pair with a glass front display. You could put the glass display in front of the helm, for example, or behind a steering wheel, and then put the keypad in the encoder in a more ergonomic location. Then, by pressing on the keypad, I can navigate around the display, and I can even go into the menus and move around there. The keypad, or the display and the keypad stay in sync, so they know which page you're on, so the wheel can change function depending on what you're looking at. Then you have the option of a fully customized keypad. This, you can put your branding, and you can make something unique to what you're doing. This keypad is set up as a keyless ignition. So I just put in a password, and we can simulate an engine running.